We're following a developing story of a strong earthquake in Taiwan and a tsunami warning. The USGS reports a 7.4 magnitude quake hit just off the coast of Taiwan a little more than an hour ago. That was followed by a 6.5 magnitude aftershock about 12 minutes later, with others that followed. We have this new video just into our newsroom showing collapsed buildings on Taiwan's east coast. There's no word yet on whether anyone has been hurt or is trapped. A tsunami warning has also been called for southern Japan. There's currently no tsunami warning for California or the rest of the Pacific.